So we're in Ho Chi Minh City for the week, staying in this place. And honestly, I just had to show it to you because back in America, you'd be lucky to get like a closet for $1,000 a month. But here in Vietnam, in one of the biggest cities in all of Vietnam, for $1,000 a month, you can stay in a place like this. Now, the one that we're staying in is a 2-bedroom and a 1-bath. The person that we're renting from didn't exactly want to give us the exact price per month, but I did look it up online. We're staying at the Rivergate Residence in Ho Chi Minh City, and I saw one that was actually 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, a little bit nicer than this one, and it was right at $1,000 per month. And to me, this place is absolutely incredible, has a great view. But for me, it's not really just about this apartment, it's about all the things around this apartment. In this location, on the 7th floor, there's a pool, there's a nice gym, and if you go down to the bottom level, there is a coffee shop that you can go relax and work at if you need to do some work outside the apartment. They also have 3 convenience stores. Pretty much all the food stuff that you would need is right there. And then you have a kids zone, which for me is awesome. I've been able to take my son down there a few times. Very inexpensive. He's able to see other kids. Now, the point of this video isn't just about this actual location. There's no sponsorship here. So whether you would pick this location or another, it really doesn't much matter to me. There's a lot of places like this in Ho Chi Minh City. It's just to show you what you can actually get. And you can kind of have the level of Vietnam that you're accustomed to. So for myself, we live back in my wife's hometown, which is much smaller. We live at the family home. We don't have hot water. It's what some people maybe would consider more of an authentic Vietnam experience, but that doesn't necessarily have to be the thing for everyone. I love it and it makes sense for me. But if I was going to stay in a major city like Ho Chi Minh City or Da Nang or Hanoi, I would want to get a place like this. When I travel, I like to go off and do the exploring and do the adventurous stuff. But when I'm working or I'm just kind of wanting to be around the house, I want as much of the stuff as close to me as possible. And Ho Chi Minh City in general has pretty much everything for anyone. You have like the nightlife stuff, which, you know, if I was younger and wanted to do that type of stuff, that would probably be what I would be doing. Or if Ronan was a little bit older and me and my wife could go out. But it don't just have that. It has like the walking Pho Bo, Winway Street. We love to go to that. That's about 10 minutes from this location. And the cool thing about Vietnam in general is about how cheap everything is to a degree and how close things are within the country. So if I wanted to get on the plane, I could be pretty much anywhere in Vietnam that I wanted to be for like $150-ish. And I know a lot of people just go on about how cheap Vietnam is, and absolutely it's very cheap and affordable in general. There's way cheaper places than $1,000 a month to be had as well. For me, the middle class to me just seems like it's an obtainable dream to be able to have a good social life and to do work and also be able to have some money. But my family's getting home and I've been like taking up the entire apartment for the last like 20-ish minutes while I ramble to the camera. So I just wanted to share this with you and let you see kind of what is possible if you do decide to make Ho Chi Minh City or Vietnam a place for you. Come on in, the water's fine, as they say.